In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocketmoney with Cash App 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have your Cash App linked to Rocketmoney, so your balances and transactions can be tracked automatically for smarter budgeting and spending insights. Start by opening the Rocketmoney app on your phone. Make sure both Rocketmoney and Cash App are updated to the latest versions, so everything looks and works as expected. When the app loads, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your spending overview. From here, head to the Accounts section. This is where Rocketmoney organizes all your banks, cards, and wallets. If you're new to the app, this is the hub that powers your budgeting features, alerts, and savings recommendations, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Inside Accounts, look for Cash App in the list of supported institutions. Depending on your device, you may see a search bar at the top. Typing Cash App can help you find it faster. Selecting Cash App tells Rocketmoney exactly which service you want to connect, so it can pull in your balances and recent transactions securely. Once you've selected Cash App, tap Connect. Rocketmoney will hand you off to a secure connection flow, often powered by a trusted aggregator. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your Cash App account. You might be asked to verify your identity with a code or a biometric confirmation. This is normal and helps keep your data safe. Never share one-time codes with anyone, and only enter information directly in the app's secure screens. If you have more than one Cash App balance or a linked savings feature, you may be given a choice of which accounts to include. Pick the ones you want to see in Rocketmoney. After you complete the connection, give the app a moment to sync. The first import can take a minute or two. When it's done, return to the Accounts section and you should see your Cash App listed with an updated balance. From there, your transactions will begin to appear in your spending view, and Rocketmoney will automatically categorize them. If something looks off, you can adjust categories later for cleaner reports and budgets. If the connection doesn't complete, double-check your internet connection, confirm your Cash App is working normally, and try again. Updating both apps or restarting your phone can resolve most glitches. And if two-factor authentication prompts you repeatedly, ensure notifications and SMS are available on your device. That's it. Your Cash App is now connected to Rocketmoney, and you're set to track everything in one place.